it's time to chew bubble gum. What color do you like? Okay, hold out your hand. Green, pink, yellow. Put them in your mouth. Okay, now we're going to blow our bubbles really, really big. Keep chewing. There's one. Keep chewing. There's two. Got one more to go. There's three. Look at our beautiful bubbles. Look, Lucy, look at our beautiful bubbles. Now it's time to pop our bubbles. Are you ready? Pop, 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 pop. Oh no, I got bubble gum all over me. You know what that means. Time to wash our clothes. Throw them in the washing machine. Put in the soap. Put down the lid. Turn on the machine. We are clothes in a washing machine. We wiggle and jiggle until we are clean. Mama shakes us out to dry and hangs us on the clothesline up so high. Did you fall off the clothesline again? That was fun. I wonder what game we'll play next.